Ford has unleashed the 2026 F-150 Lobo, a factory-built, full-size pickup with undeniable street presence. Designed for truck lovers with muscle car instincts, the Lobo combines classic V8 power with sleek, low-slung styling straight from the showroom floor. F-150 Lobo based on the STX Super Crew 4x4. Ford engineers lowered the rear suspension by 2 inches, leveling the truck and giving it a flat, road-hugging profile. Up front, the Lobo's a gloss black grille with wide mesh inserts is flanked by a unique LED light bar stretching across the full width between the headlamps. It glows with a signature pattern, giving the truck an unmistakable identity even at night. The hood is a sculpted cowl-style design, pure muscle car inspiration with functional black vents that add both style and airflow. The side skirts, front air dam, and rear valance are all part of a cohesive design aimed at reducing lift and enhancing the Lobo's low-slung aesthetic. 22-inch gloss black wheels fill the arches, wrapped in wide Bridgestone performance tires. Twin exhaust tips poke through the rear diffuser, clean, aggressive, and purposeful. Inside, F-160 Lobo keeps things focused and functional. Black cloth sports seats are stitched in green, a subtle nod to the model's bold personality. The 12-inch digital center display runs Sync 4, offering split-screen controls. The dashboard is all black, minimalist, and modern. Under the hood is Ford's 5.0-liter Coyote V8. Naturally aspirated, high-revving, and unmistakably American, it puts out 400 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. This truck isn't just about appearance. It's a modern street truck that's functional and distinctly Ford.